Hello, I'm Dr. Pierre de Villiers, Managing Director of AOSIS, South Africa's largest scholarly publisher. I would like to invite you to my upcoming public lecture at the Potchefstroom campus of Northwest University next week on the 14th of May at 2 p.m. The topic of my talk will be about the new frontier for scholarly books. Why is this important? Scholarly books have been published for hundreds of years in the traditional book sales model, but the new frontier of open access and digital publishing has opened up new possibilities for academic institutions and researchers to improve the impact of their research and also to obtain and increase new funding for future research. I would like to share my views with you and am looking forward to meeting you there.